I want to talk about this, that now this is a prototype, or is this a potential, is this actually out in the market, or is this some guy came and said, you know, I'm going to pick up myself a Pacifica and make it cool? So,
See, all the above.
All the above, okay.
No, so truly it is a concept vehicle, and that is what we have as right now. But it is based on our Pacifica Limited all-wheel drive.
Okay.
So the bones of it, in theory, and the heart, is a current Limited that we offer.
Well, and Pacifica's been in the market for what, 10 years now? Yeah.
Yep.
So it's something, so honestly, when you brought it out, I was like, oh yeah, some guy just went and grabbed a used one off the lot and then just made it cool.
Exactly, and now we're making it cool from our end, not
Yeah.
off the used lot. So what we did is we took the overlanding kind of ideology and community and brought kind of attention to the fact that it has tons of storage, tons of space. It fits a queen size mattress when you take out the second row. So we said, how can we give a blank canvas to that community with a little bit of our ideas as what it could look like as potential. So what we did is,
still have stow and go?
Still has stow and go. Yep.
Okay.
Third row, we added a 2 3/4 inch lift up front.
Okay.
2.5 in the back. We have 31-inch KO2s.
So what Jeep did you steal those KO2s off of?
Mine.
Okay.
No, so we put on the big KO2s, this awesome Arctos matte color. It's super clean, goes really well with the two-tone.
So is that a paint or is that a wrap?
Wrap.
Okay.
It is wrapped.
So what's the color underneath? Can we open the door and see what the color underneath is?
Shouldn't see any.
Oh yeah, there's sort of, isn't there, there's usually when they wrap, well you can see a little bit sometimes.
Yeah.
Some, so, well you've got it as black, so, because some of the wraps that we saw yesterday had a color and then there's this.
Yep.
Okay, so there you can see there's the wrap there.
Yep.
So it looks like it might be white underneath there.
Yep.
So this could be custom wrapped. You could, like, if you could do your own graphics on that, couldn't
Exactly.
you?
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's the beauty of this vehicle. It is truly that blank canvas. It's what you
Yeah.
want it to look like. So this is the color we put on with the foreshadow, so little, not just jet black harshness, but you mentioned stow and go. So we have back here some added perks to this. So for the concept vehicle, we did take out the third row to add storage, but these totes and bins fit specifically in the third row stow and go section.
So these are logoed
Yes, sir.
totes and bins.
And you can get these today.
Yeah,
These aren't just a...
Okay, so these aren't from Container Store.
No, these are ours.
Okay, okay, so they're from the Mopar store.
Yes, sir. And then we added outlet and auxiliary switch in the back.
Okay.
So you can always have your plug-ins wherever you need.
So this would be a great, like, a dog walker vehicle, or somebody who's going camping or hunting.
Exactly.
So this gets back to the days when a guy wanted a fishing and hunting vehicle and could go off and do that.
Exactly. We just added the twist of making it look extra beefy, is like how I put it. We have our Rhino rack up top. We use that for storage.
Now, a Rhino rack, is that a Mopar branded product, or is that something that you aftermarket?
I believe that is their own. I believe we work with them.
Okay, so Rhino is its own.
Yes.
So basically, it's inside. It's not a whole lot different than a normal Pacifica.
Not drastically. We did add the cement gray for the leather here, the orange stitching. We do have the bright orange seat belts, which I really like. We also have in these back, we have charging panels in both front row. Yeah. And the big thing for being an overlanding vehicle, standard with heavy duty rubber floor mats.
So is there carpet? Yeah, there is carpet under there. So you know, if you had really overlanded it, you could just rubber, instead of carpet, just put rubber in there.
Exactly.
All right, so whose idea was this? So was there an engineer that went and did you have like a roundtable meeting and an engineer said, you know, I want something that's overlanding? Is that how it came, or did you get it from? Did you have? Oh yeah, we're going to Overlanding Expo. What are we going to do?
Right.
Yeah. Well, we don't have any extra Jeeps, so we're going to take the Pacifica.
Well, I think it kind of, no specific session or meeting. It came from, and you've seen from past campaigns we've done. Van life really kind of kicked off this idea, right? But not just limited to having a big van or doing something like that. Like showing that.
Be careful. What did you say?
No.
You didn't say that word.
No,
Not
I said
anymore.
I'm sprinting to tell you about this.
Okay. Okay, because I'm gonna have to wash your mouth out with some soap, with some good German Fels-Naphtha soap for that one.
Completely understood.
Yeah, yeah. Supposed to say a
Concept.
ProMaster.
Yeah.
Remember that, ProMaster.
Bad hat. But also wanted to show that it can be done in what would be, call it your normal vehicles.
Now, could somebody go and just do this on their own?
In theory, and that's part of the reason it is a concept, in the fact that we want to show what we think it could be, but having a package like this is a jumping off point for someone that maybe is really interested but doesn't have the full knowledge of, you know, I'm going to put a lift on myself, I'm going to go add LEDs. Like, not everyone is...
Let's talk about those driving lights.
Yes, so we got our bright yellow LEDs here, we got an LED bar up top,
right?
and of course our standard ones. Favorite part about the front is all of our accents are this foreshadow color.
Okay.
So you even see it down to the lock buttons on the doors.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
So if you want, I'll flip the lights on for you real quick.
Okay, cool, yeah. Nice, nice. Nice.
So I know it's the middle of the day, but they are
they show
super bright. Yeah, it's just...
Just when you had forgotten all about minivans, then the Chrysler Pacifica does this Overland version. Thank you, Michael, for a great walk around of this very cool concept vehicle. Thank you.